how to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. So first, just go to the Roblox website and scroll down to the very bottom till you see the help option right here. So just simply click on it and it will bring you right here. So just click on Roblox account, then click on I forgot my password. And here you could read this, but after the reading, just scroll down till you see contact customer support and just simply click on that and it will bring you right here. So I suggest that you put your username right here. So type in your username and the email address that you're going to use where Roblox can contact you and stuff. And once you've input that, just go here on what device you're having a problem on. So I'm using PC, so it might be different for you, but for me it's PC. And for the type of hub category, just simply click on that, then click on account hacked or can't log in. Then click on this one, then click on forgot password. And here on description of issue, you will just need to type in any proof or claims that the account you're trying to regain is yours. So you could state the username of that account and the last password that you remember. You could also state the purchases that you had with that account if you had any. So basically like any proof or any supporting claim that the account that you're trying to regain is yours. So this is not a guarantee. It's up to Roblox if they can help you or if it's possible to still regain that account that you're trying to get back. But once you're done with this description, just simply click on continue and wait for Roblox to get back to you. So Roblox might add the email address that you've input right here on the contact form to the account that you're trying to regain back. So if you forgot the email or if you're not currently using the email on that old account, so Roblox might add the account or the email address that you had right here to that particular Roblox account that you're trying to regain back. So just simply wait for Roblox to get back to you. And I think that's the only way or the most efficient way to recover or get back your Roblox account without your email or your phone number.